Hi guys, and welcome to IMIC Technology. I have many questions for you today. Do you want to analyze data from one or more sources? Do you want to create your own data set based on these sources and convert your results into beautiful, easy to follow visualizations? Do you also want to share your results with your colleagues and collaborate on projects? Do you want to master the technique of processing dry data into beautiful graphs and data visualization? Do you want to be able to access your data from different devices? Finally, do you aspire to become a professional data analyst with Microsoft Power BI? Right now, I will introduce to you the training course on data visualization analysis and data analysis with Power BI at IMIC Technology Vietnam. In this training, you will learn why Power BI gives you a comprehensive set of business intelligence tools for your data analysis goals and how to use these tools to accomplish all tasks above and many more. Imagine quickly structuring your data, easily adding calculations to it, and publishing beautiful charts in minutes. Wow, that's fantastic! The best recommendation would be to have a basic, intermediate, and advanced knowledge of Excel. It will also be a great advantage if you have the knowledge and skills in business and data analysis, or if you are working in business analysis and data analysis. Now this would be great, but it's not a requisite. Finally, you need to have a passion for data science analysis. It will help you to succeed faster. Microsoft Power BI is the suite of business intelligence tools designed to simplify data analysis and processing of information. Designed for beginners from any industry, the training is completely hands-on and a practical focus and requires no coding. According to the recruitment demand survey in many recruitment partners of IMIC, employees with data visualization and data analysis skills are in high demand. Business analysts with proficiency in Power BI skills are particularly sought after, with Power BI being recognized as the leader in analytics and enterprise BI platforms. IMIC's certification are recognized in more than 160 recruitment partners. Power BI will not only be the skill to demonstrate how fast you digitalize data and make data visualizations, but also will make you stand out in the job market and get ahead in the job interviews. This is the most complete and detailed training on data analysis with the latest BI information and practices of 2021. Committed to training quality, the hands-on exercises in the training course are very practical. Case studies that IMIC experts have developed with a lot of effort to compile. Compelling case studies and practical exercises are included in the training course. All parts of the training course are expressed in the most intuitive way, easy to understand, so you can easily apply your professional knowledge to work. Yes, you just attend a single training course in analysis, data, and visualization with Power BI, and you are ready to participate in the projects that will work in your company. IMIC trainers are committed to supporting students after training course via Zalo, Skype, or Zoom. Especially committed to support and introduce personnel after graduation to a number of enterprises that are partners of recruitment of IMIC Hanoi and IMIC Ho Chi Minh City. Provided that you always be serious about studying and consider this as the only way for you to succeed, always be consistent. Don't be like those lazy guys. Don't be like those lazy girls. Don't be like those lazy professionals, quote unquote. Lazy to study, taking breaks, and no studying at all. Take action today and contact us at www.imic.edu.vn and send us an email today. Basically, Microsoft Power BI is very easy to get started with. And when you decide to learn, you can do some pretty amazing stuff with this. one of the most exciting things that Microsoft has ever released, and has the potential to make almost any business more efficient. The numbers don't lie. The need of data science analysts is on the rise, and as soon it will be an integral part of every enterprise organization. These reasons will give you a clear picture of the importance of your field, and now and in the future. What are you waiting for? Contact us. IMIC's beautiful staff, professional admissions team will assist you in registering for an analytics and visualization training course with Power BI.